Good morning everyone, it is Vlogmas day 24. It is the final day of Vlogmas. Woo! Oh my god, I cannot believe that we've done it. We've managed to do all 24 days of Vlogmas. First time ever. I'm so happy. We're walking to the cousins. We're gonna go have a nice breakfast. Then we're gonna go to town and we're gonna go see Molly's friend. And then we're gonna go and meet our other cousin, Sam's girlfriend. And then Sam, who you guys might remember, is joining us later on. So it's gonna be a nice day. Christmas Eve. Oh my god. Merry Christmas everyone. Because this is going up tomorrow. So Merry Christmas. Oh my god. Hooray! Someone got muddy on our walk this morning. Look at your toe. Wow. Well done. 6,000 steps. Misty, what is it? Is there a cat?
She hates cats.
I can tell. Look at her.
We've got a cat next door and a house cat. It's a Siamese. Oh wow. Called May. But we never see it.
Oh, May.
Well, one day it actually came in our bedroom window.
Oh my goodness.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas, some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas.
We just had the most delicious eggs and bacon. I don't know whether I filmed it actually, but it was good. I'm now buzzed on coffee. Life is sweet. I'm gonna go back to our little lodge and get changed in a bit, I think, because I want to wear something a little bit higher neck to keep my chest warm, because it is a miserable day. Look at this. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but it is raining, so I just want to wrap up.
Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from...
I've not seen The Grinch in about 3 years. While Molly changes Ralph, I'm just watching The Grinch. It's great. I'm getting a little bit hungry. I'm really excited to go out for dinner.
We're on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas.
I just had the best buttermilk chicken burger and an elderflower fizz with pear vodka, which I recommend to everyone. It was the most delicious thing in the world. I mean, should have sent Jack out. Jack, get me some pear vodka please. And now we're gonna go to another pub and meet some more of Molly's friends. What a nice day. Ralphie's being a little angel. We just had a few lovely drinks at the pub and now we're heading home to go see Sam, who should be here soon. Ralph was getting a bit tired, understandably, because I'm getting a bit tired. So we're gonna head back and get cozy and chill with the fam. Our mum's also coming as well, so everyone is getting together this Christmas Eve. We got some festive essentials. Festive chocolate covered pretzels. Festive galaxy cookies. and an actually festive chocolate orange. We also got lemonade, and I got some vodka because everyone in my family's gin drinkers and I am a vodka girl. I think I am the anomaly in my fam. Okay, well, I'm struggling with my seatbelt, but I'm gonna try one of these chocolate covered pretzels because I saw them. Oh no! I saw them in the airport in Thailand and I was like, those look amazing. Can I get them for the plane? Tim was like, yeah, of course, and then I forgot to buy them, so never actually tried these, but now it's my time, baby.
Great. Combination of chocolate and salt is too much.
Too good. Salty pretzels are so Moorish. It's a bit of a joke. Right, I'm gonna open them right now. Don't have time to talk. Sorry, guys. Hello everyone, it is now 11:05 on Christmas Eve. Amy and I have come back to our little cottage and we're going to bed now because we are both absolutely knackered and have been day drinking all day. So that means it's the end of Vlogmas and I can't believe I've done all 25. In fact, I did 25 plus a few at the end of November every day in a row, which is crazy. I've never actually finished it before, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean your comments have been super nice, so I think you have enjoyed it, and if you'd like me to do it again next year, let me know. But I think I probably will because it's been really fun, especially now that I've had like time dedicated to it. I'm just chatting to the camera. It's the end of Vlogmas. This is the last scene.
It's the end of Vlogmas.
Woo! Woo! I've actually really enjoyed it and I'm gonna miss it. I'm definitely gonna do more vlogs in the new year because I've loved vlogging every day. It's been really nice, and also watching back these vlogs is gonna be so nice in the future, especially seeing baby Ralph grow up. It's gonna be really nice, especially for Moll and like for Jack.
The footage, actually.
Yeah, I should do. No, you're not sure, it's fine. Amy's just stripping. Like for Molly and Jack, watching it back will be so nice for them to see him so small, little baby Ralphie. I've had a great December. It's had its ups and its downs. I'll keep you guys posted on Ratgate, but other than that, it's been pretty decent and I've really enjoyed it. I'm sorry that there wasn't a lot of footage from today, but honestly, we just had a lovely day, getting a bit drunk with our family, eating so much food. Like that's a nice bra.
It's my lucky so-and-so bra.
That's so cool. Ate so much food. I have eaten, I don't think I can put it into words how much I've eaten. And more is coming in tomorrow and the next day. That is great. My stomach's rock solid. I am so bloated. I hope you guys had the best Christmas day ever because it's 4 PM on Christmas Day when you're watching this. So I hope you enjoyed your Christmas. We had a lovely Christmas Eve. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas. and for subscribing, and for liking, and for commenting. If you're new, make sure you do subscribe. And I have got a video, maybe 2 videos going up before New Year, so I won't say Happy New Year yet because there are a couple videos coming, but Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Goodbye.